Hot pot, beware.
Beware.
Excuse me?
What's the hot pot? The hot pot we want you. What that one?
Salt mackerel.
Oh, just so them big. I fish them then. Salt mackerel fish them. Or them black. The black one them and then they fit them. The black one them and then they fit them.
Did I get that chronic song in your head just now?
Here comes trouble.
Here comes the
Danger. I thought the truth.
Soldier and Selassie Army.
Just this panic alone.
Lion no talk the truth. Lion no talk the truth. Lion no talk the truth. Big mouth, come out. Big mouth, come out.
Here's the big mouth, the old head there.
Yeah, man. That's the head.
See me.
Put it away.
Feed dog.
Give the dogs.
Tell
Brother.
you something cut off.
The dogs are going to be extra happy today because we went to a restaurant and got huge portions and we gave them a
Fish that.
massive thing of leftovers.
Some fish here.
So they're going to get leftovers and a fish head and dog kibble.
Fish!
Whoa, Junior. Bless you.
I'm trying to go.
So that's why you wanted me to get the limes today.
Oh.
I didn't know it was for this. I thought it was for something else.
No. Fuck up lime with anything. Take off the rawness about the appetite, yeah?
Oh, I didn't know that
Yeah,
was a trick.
man. It's very raw, you know. You have to wash it with lime. Get out some bacteria, you know?
Yeah, naturally.
Yes, sir. People are talking about some mackerel. You think I just substitute in the water and eat kilo.
Kill you?
Kilo.
That sounds dramatic.
Kilo, whole heap of bone, whole heap of not taste good. Slimy. You have to scale it off. And when you clean it off like this now, all the scaly them, the stiffness
Come on.
come off. And you can eat, chance it now, you know.
Mm-hmm.
See this?
See that drop off there?
Yeah, all these simple slimes. Some people just cook it, you know. And that can't work a blood cleat. You have to take your face out and move on yourself.
I tell me nothing.
You have to clean it. Make it look good.
Good.
Excellent. And it's eat salmon.
And sit then just come on, right?
I might not eat it, so yeah.
And beings.
Grandma, always buy the pan one them. Tin one them. Water, eyes,
Thermo.
water, eyes, water, see. Dear our Father up above, looking down the tender love. Water, eye, water, mouth. They say,
Yeah, then.
water, mouth, what
Yeah,
they
then,
say.
Then, man. Not the heat, yeah.
The Father up above, looking down the tender love.
Rat. Come down, man. We can't hear Debbie.
Yeah.
Unruly boss. Big up popcorn every time. Respect to popcorn.
No popcorn sauce. Popcorn sauce is fiery sauce. Want the eye?
No, man.
See the eye?
You want to eat the eye?
This is the higher.
Eat the eyeball. Yum it.
No,
Yum it.
no. I feel see.
Go
What do you got
inside
there?
with
What do
it.
you got there? Some ganji?
See some?
Hit her up.
Yes.
What a delivery.
Which one?
You don't know anybody.
Let me see that bag.
Man. Me took up the eye.
Let's look at the eye,
I told him to try to eat it. He wouldn't do it. He's too
I
smart.
used to eat it.
You used to?
Yeah, brother.
Used to eat the eye. I can't eat.
Is it good for your sight, like carrots?
No, it's not salt or the rat. You can put your side. Salt.
Take
I
out the
that's
piece
it.
eye.
Me have to boil out and sit in the car. Yeah, then something. Then fucking very salty, you know. Everybody know. They see me clean them up and look upon them so good, brother. Also. And then they have a next rolled up there again that we clean it out now with every bone, yeah?
Yeah, which is another whole layer of work.
Oh,
You know that.
yes,
Yeah,
sir.
muscle.
It's a thing when not so easy, brother. See?
Yeah.
And then, yeah.
All those
Then that's something
little
you
ones.
eat then. People just cook them, you know.
Well, I know that. When we went to eat at that place in
Aha, when you go
Portland,
there, oh God.
it was just mostly just fish bones. Life-threatening to
Mm-hmm.
eat that stuff. I don't remember the name of the restaurant. I'm not going to shame
Me
you.
go back there, you know.
You did?
Me go back there with you,
Why?
me and grandma, man.
Oh, yeah?
I want the one guy, the driver.
But I bet you didn't order saltfish.
No, me no eat, the driver eat saltfish and say it good. What me did eat?
What?
Me eat something else different.
Maybe he's just not picky.
It was good with you, because grandma came back all them food when they quiet down on rocks, you know, and sitting, you know. Move from here, son, the Ratty out of video, little. Sit down long as some man.
Sit on the chair, brother. There you go. So this is what your saltfish looks like when it's nicely clean.
Mm-hmm. Salt mackerel. If it not cook, if it not beans at the raw, it not good raw pork.
Your mom's calling you, brother.
Yeah?
One salt mackerel. But me think I'm one in there.
We need some
Cootie.
space.
See a picture?
We need space.
Cootie. Cootie, cootie.
Cootie cootie is the sign for the dog.
Don't show that door. Show it to me.
Cootie cootie. Cootie cootie.
Come on, mad lady, mad lady. Cootie. Move the wash it. Move. Good. Wow.
See, brother, my wonder. I'm not here.
They
My
get
one.
so hold the
See my one, yeah?
time. Watch it there, man.
Yeah, the brown one wasn't looking good today. Is that the one that ate the toad?
Open that knife.
Let's grow them, Baba.
Growing big. You're gonna have a dog army.
A zoo. Fucking dog zoo.
You need
Me
to,
no
to fight the pit bull up here that does
Yeah.
not shut up at night. It just barks. It's a war out here lately. Every night we're waking up.
Everything's a zoo. Me see something on zoo.
What'd you say?
Giraffe.
What?
Giraffe.
Where's the zoo?
Town.
Kingston?
Yeah, me see a giraffe.
Whoa.
Me see a giraffe. Me see a tiger.
Whoa.
Where is the original son of a gun?